Flipping heck.
Just to say, just relax. Look, if it doesn't work and technical difficulties happen, we tried. So
it's all part of the fun. All part of the fun.
We will then go to a venue somewhere in the Wairarapa where we know we want to support our hospitality venues, we want to support our businesses, we want to support even getting flowers. I felt great purchasing flowers from a florist. You know, we're supporting Wairarapa, we're keeping Wairarapa going in difficult times, and hopefully you will enjoy an evening with a smaller group of people, sumptuous food, some nice wine, and good company, and I think that's what it's all about, guys. So do enjoy this evening. Don't worry if you fluff it up.
Do we get a redo?
No.
What I will say is I'm going to say a big shout out to Toby and Ben, who's in his van going up and down State Highway 2. They have been absolutely amazing today. The sound is difficult. Like, people touch the laptops in the venues, sound drops out. You know, it's one of those things. So guys, it's organic. My favourite word.
It's fine.
It's fine. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you. Have 10cc open their laptop again, Toby? Yeah, that was brilliant, wasn't it? Yeah, yeah. Great. So we're on a bit of a rundown. 3 minutes to go, and then we'll be kicking off with the karakia. You can talk now. Okay, good evening, everyone. Hopefully you can hear us all around the region. We're just going to start off now with a mihi whakato.
Wairarapa, Wairarapa. Wairarapa te rangi urunga nei, Wairarapa te papairaro nei, Wairarapa te kāhui ariki, te kāhui tipua, te kāhui tauira. tuku ana, tuku ana. Tuku ana te reo kia rere, tuku ana te kupu kia taka, tuku ana te take kia mau ueha. Ueha nuku, ueha rangi, ueha tāne nui a rangi tāne whakapiripiri. Nāna i toko ake te rangi kia tūhāhā. Tūke ana nuku, tūke ana rangi, ka tangi te hau, ka mātau, ka ao, ka watea, he ao mārama, tihei, mauri ora. Tēnei e tū nei, e mihi kau ana ki a koutou, kua whakarau i ka mai nei, e tika ana me mihi atu ki a mātou mate, me huri ngā whakaaro ki tērā, e takoto mai, e katahi anoa kua nehu i aia, i roto i tōna urupā, a taupare, tērā o ngā puti te pūtiki maka wētahi o tūmapu hiarangi, a rā ko Cody Harmon tēnā, ko ia tētahi, katahi anō kua mate, me whai whakaaro ki aia, me tōna whānau, e noho i raro i tērā kapua pauri. Nō reira e te kōtiro ki atu rā ki o tūpuna e tatari ana mōu, āpiti hono, tātai hono, rātou te hunga mate ki a rātou, tātou te hunga ora ki a tātou. E tika ana me mihi ki a koutou, kua hare mai nei te pō, kia whakamana i o koutou mahi, i raro i tērā ahuatanga whakawhanake i tā mātou rohe nei a Wairarapa, no reira ke te mihi atu ki a koutou, anei ngā maunga whakahi, a rangi tūmau, a maungarake, a aorangi, a te maipi, remutaka, ngā tararua, e mihi ana ki a koutou i tēnei pō. No reira, i raro i era ahuatanga katoa, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Kia ora everybody, my name's Jareth Fox and I'm giving the mihi whakatau tonight. I started by recognising those of our dead who have passed this year, especially recognising Cody Harmon, who is the daughter of Willie Harmon, who works at the Masterton District Council. We just mihi to her and her family and recognise them. So our mate to rātou and tātou te hunga ora ki a tātou. On behalf of Wairarapa, I whakapapa from te whare tāpere o Whātonga, or also known as Pukaha Mount Bruce, from there all the way down to Wairarapa Moana and every marae in between that area. So on behalf of all those marae and tangata whenua from Wairarapa, I welcome you all tonight and I wish you all the greatest success and are grateful for all of your mahi in business and the things that you bring to Arohe. So we really appreciate and welcome you here tonight. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Hutia te rito te hara keke, kei hea te komako e ko, ki mai ki ahau, he aha te mea nui, he aha te mea nui o tēnei ao, maku e ki atu, he tangata, hei. Tēnā koutou.
What a beautiful start to the evening. Thank you so much. Welcome to the 2021 Business Wairarapa Awards. It seems a long time ago since we were last together celebrating and recognising all the amazing business success in our region. Obviously, we've had a few hiccups since then in terms of not being able to hold these events, but we'll look back on 2019, which was the last time. It was a very, very long time ago in our lives. If you think back then, we'd never even heard of the word COVID. Donald Trump was president of the United States, and Kira McAnulty was still driving a ute. It was a long, long time ago. But we're here today, and there's so much to celebrate. To welcome us here, I'd like to invite Judy Miller, Chair of Business Wairarapa, to the stage, please. Please give her a hand.
Tihei Māori ora, i ngā mana, i ngā reo, i rau rangatira mā. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Good evening, one and all, to the Business Wairarapa Business Awards, in association with our event partner, Festival Hire. And a special shout out to Shelley and Greg Mason for helping us run this event tonight. Well done to all of you for being part of Wairarapa history. The first time that we're aware of that an event of this magnitude has been able to be conducted in the Wairarapa via audiovisual technology. So fingers crossed now that it works. Right, so we've got 6 great sites beaming in tonight, so a shout out to each of you at your venues. So perhaps if we can have a big kind of wave from the White Swan, Clearville Bakery, Carterton Event Centre, and particular mention to Micro at 10cc. So a special welcome to our distinguished guests tonight. Her Worship Mayor of Masterton, Lynn Patterson. His Worship Mayor of Carterton, Greg Lang. His Worship Mayor Alex Bain of South Wairarapa. Right Honourable Adrian Staples. Right Honourable Kieran McAnulty. MP. Oh, yep. Oh, sorry. MP for our great region. And I also want to provide a warm welcome to our Business Wairarapa Life members, Prue Hamill and Bob Francis. It's a real pleasure to host you tonight. Our Business Awards are a showcase of our exceptional regional talent, and we're really gutted not to be able to run them last year. Wairarapa businesses have demonstrated nothing but class in the last 18 months. We've gone from uncertainty and lockdowns to boom time. So tonight tells a story of those people who have taken the uncertainty and used it as opportunity. We salute the brave and the agile, and those who have decided to give the trials and tribulations of life post-COVID no airtime. We at Business Wairarapa are here as a regional voice for commerce in Wairarapa. We go on above and beyond the usual tasks required of your local chamber, and we get involved in the pointy issues for our region. Together, we have a strong purpose and voice. If you haven't heard our message before and you're interested, please talk to your host board member at your venue tonight about joining us for the benefit of the whole Wairarapa. Please enjoy the evening and celebrate success with those around you.
Thank you very much, Julie. And now, as Julie mentioned, tonight is brought to you by Business Wairarapa, but also by Festival Hire. So, Shelley Mason, would you like to come up and say a few words?
Hi, I'm Shelley, and this is Greg, the other half. Us, as well as our team at Festival Hire, we're so excited to have the opportunity to be standing up here. As you all well know, event industry has been hit like many other businesses, but we're extremely proud to say that we're still here. We still have smiles on our faces, sometimes with a wine bottle in my hand, but that's okay. And we're just so super proud to be celebrating with the rest of the businesses in the Wairarapa. A little bit about Festival Hire. Greg and I purchased Festival Hire, the Wairarapa's only marquee and event hire company, in 2017. We didn't realise that at the time. There was another company. As soon as we bought the business, we obviously scared them off, which was great, but also meant that we led into quite a big shoes to fill. We started off, it was just Greg and myself and a 1-year-old. We quickly learnt that being in business was exciting, it was challenging, it was epic, and it was really, really crazy. Over our first season, we grew from a team of 2.5 to a team of 7 3/4. We thought it would be a really good time to introduce our second child into the Festival Hire family, which gave us a bit of a curveball and meant that we ended up having to develop a team and to learn how to run with managers and rely on and work with a really, which we were lucky, good team at the time. The following summer, was a huge learning curve for us, where we grew from a team of 7 3/4 to a team of 15 at our peak time. We also introduced over 6 marquees to our fleet, as well as a couple of extra cars. Things were looking great. We had all these ambitions, these goals and dreams, and then, you know what I'm going to say, COVID came and just knocked us for it. It's been a really tough few years, but I mean, look at us now. We're actually here. We're able to celebrate this. Greg and I want to say huge thanks to our amazing team, to the Wairarapa community. It's absolutely incredible how much support, overwhelming support actually, our community in the Wairarapa has had. It means a lot, and I'm sure there's a lot of other businesses that can say the same thing. We're a pretty tight team here, and I think we've done really well. There's been some really exciting changes that we've got coming up with Festival Hire. We're really looking forward to celebrating and inviting you guys to come and see what we're up to, be it for some helium balloons, a disco party, your daughter's wedding, or a corporate event. We can do pretty much anything. Also like to say huge congratulations to Nicola, Catherine, Sam, Toby, and the team behind the scenes that's made tonight happen. It's been a lot of changes. We've pretty much, Catherine and Nicola have pretty much organised 3 events, and now we've got 6 different venues. So it's definitely been a good challenge, but you guys did it, and well done. Congratulations to all the businesses. I'm extremely proud of you guys and extremely proud to be part of our community. Anyway, that's enough for me. Have a wonderful night and congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, Shelley. And Shelley, Greg and the team have done an incredible amount. As she said, we've organised this event about 3 different times, but we're here. Right, okay, I'll just talk a little bit about the format for this evening. It's going to run a little bit like a telethon, except for there's no phone number where you can donate money. Although you can do that in the bar afterwards, I'll be around. We've got the 5 different venues, as well as this one here, at Solway Park, Copthorne. We will be throwing to them regular different interviews to see how they're getting on. They're all got fantastic hosts down there, so thank you to those. We'll do each category individually. We will show a short video of all the finalists, which should be pretty good. And then there's I will just ask one question. This is a real sort of audio-visual test for Toby and his team at Noise Productions. I will try and ask each winner one simple question. There's a very strict time limit on this, and I noticed the run sheet that went out to the presenters, it says you have 1 minute to speak. Being married to Catherine, I know that you're pretty lucky to get a full minute, so well done. The other thing we've got running through the evening is the 2 Degrees quiz. Now, 2 Degrees have been absolutely incredible supporters of this event. There's a whole heap of great prizes to win. At every single venue, you can win a Samsung Galaxy A03s phone and a $50 Sterling Sports voucher as well. So that's at each venue for the quiz. Pay attention. The answers are either here or they're in the programme. And there's a tiebreaker at the end as well. So look out for that. 2 Degrees have actually partnered up with Business Wairarapa, and they're providing exclusive discounts on all 2 Degrees services. So there's a great new deal on mobile broadband and their Insight network as well. And if you sign up before the end of the year, you won't pay any plan whatsoever charges until the 31st of March next year. So that's 5 free months if you sign up with 2 Degrees before December. Right, okay, on with our first category. Now, we've got a whole heap of sponsors. This first category is sponsored by Transit Group, and I think it's a good opportunity to thank all of our sponsors, as well as all the different venues we have. So the venues we've just been through, but we are funded by the 3 Wairarapa councils. That's Masterton, Carlton, and South Wairarapa. We certainly wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for them. Our sponsors are Festival Hire, Trust House, Transit Group, ANZ Bank, Harcourt's Hamill Realty, Gibson Sheet, More FM, and DB Breweries. And we've talked a little bit about COVID. We're very, very fortunate to have DB Breweries as a beer sponsor, and I'm sure you're enjoying their product at all of those different venues. I've actually got some myself here, and I think it's fantastic because although we are in these COVID-restricted times, we're actually at level 2E now. So enjoy. You like? Don't worry, they get worse. Okay, without further ado, the first category is the Transit Group Vibrant Award, and that features all those businesses who are leaders in Wairarapa's burgeoning hospitality and tourism sector. We have a question for this particular category. So, all those different venues, you should be scurrying now for your quiz sheet. If you haven't got a quiz sheet, shout out now, and your board member will provide you with one. And the question for this category is, which finalist in this category is owned by Rosie and Nick Rogers? And I think some people here actually know who that is. So which one that is. So get that written down on your quiz sheet, and you will be 1/6 of the way to winning that phone and that $50 Sterling Sports voucher. Right, can we see the White Swan, Toby? Can we go to the White Swan, have a little look what's going on? Oh, there they are. Give us a wave, White Swan. Give us a wave, White Swan. Yeah, well, the looks of it, some of them have been there since about 4 o'clock. Nice to see you down there in Greytown, White Swan Country Hotel. And now we will, I'd just like to invite the Mayor of South Wairarapa, Alex Bain, and the Sales and Marketing Manager of Transit Group, Helen Tickner, to come up to the stage while we have a look at the video and see the finalists in the Vibrant category. Away you go.
Located in the Greytown Village, we offer a hub for our community. Whether it be friends catching up for coffee, business lunch meetings or family brunches, we love the atmosphere of our busy cafe. It is important to us to support our community. We love hosting fundraisers, we source products from locals like us, and we make the cafe available for public meetings. Mr O is always working to improve our offering, and we are very excited about our new container cafe at Wilson's and can't wait to see how it grows.
We've got a team, forward-thinking people. There was 100 acres that was underutilised. We've turned that round and we're making sure that we cater to different groups for events that attract them. And we're now not just a hub for racing, but we're a community hub for many, many different avenues that people can come and enjoy this facility. We know people love Terenikia. We want to share it with them.
Lovely. Right, I'd like to invite Alex to take the stage, Your Worship.
Sam, thank you very much. Look, it's a pleasure to be here to announce this award. I should warn Sam, though, that one should never give a microphone to a politician and say you've got a minute. It just doesn't normally work that way. However, this particular category is close to my heart for a number of reasons. One, 4 out of 5 of the finalists are from the South Wairarapa and one operates there quite a lot. Secondly, tourism for the South Wairarapa in the coming years will probably peak $100 million per year. And secondly, I started my career in tourism as a waiter at the Russley Hotel in Christchurch, and I worked for Destination Wairarapa, so this is an area very close to my heart. So thank you all. Well done to all the finalists. I know 4 of you will be disappointed, but you should all be very proud that you got into the finalists of this particular category. Well done.
Right, without further ado, Helen, who's won?
Okay, so on behalf of Paul Snellgrove and the entire team at Transit, it's my great honour and privilege to announce the winner of the Wairarapa Vibrant Award for 2021. Just to say congratulations to all the finalists who are all waiting very impatiently in Greytown for me to open this. So the winner of the Transit Group Vibrant Award for 2021 is the Wairarapa Racing Club Tauhiraniko Event Centre.
Right. Can we have a big wave from those guys down at the White Swan? There we are. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Helen. Right, oh, there's hugs. It's all going on. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Trophy in hand. Trophy in hand. How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
A bit lost and embarrassed, but I just want to say thank you to all the, very much to Business Wairarapa, but I just want to also, taking a racing approach, I shouldn't actually be here because our manager, Matthew Sherry, should be here, but he's a late scratching, and I'm the off-course substitute. So you can't get the best at the same time. So thank you very much, and also thank you to my committee and my supporters from Rosen Smith.
Lovely. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and maybe later on we'll find out exactly why Matthew Sherry is scratching. Right. Okay. On to our second category. Second category is the ANZ Emerging Award, and this showcases the region's up-and-coming businesses. And we have a question. The quiz question in the 2 Degrees quiz for this category. Which finalist was founded 41 years ago by a former All Black? Right, while you're thinking about that, without further ado, we will invite the Mayor of Carterton, His Worship Greg Lang, and also Tori Milne, who is the Senior Manager of ANZ Masterton. We'll invite them up to the stage, and we'll watch the video and see who the finalists are.
Hi, I'm Nicole, owner of Isme Permanent Cosmetics. After building my own cosmetic tattooing brand into a nationally recognised business, I wanted to create a space where other elite technicians could do the same. Isme was created to allow those stuck in the ties of chain businesses the opportunity to build their business and achieve their own financial security. Isme is a space where we support each other to grow and reach the top of our fields. This is me, providing the best for you.
We saw there was a need for change.
Our planet deserves better.
Our health deserves organic.
Our community deserves local.
We sow the seeds,
Grow the food.
connect the producers, and realised
All the food we need is grown right here.
We're rebuilding the food system, one little farm at a time.
Excellent, there we are. Greg.
Kia ora koutou katoa. How cool is this? A total adaptation, a new hybrid version of the Wairarapa Awards. And to be a finalist in the ANZ Emerging Awards, you need to adapt. And I can assure you, from what you have seen, our finalists tonight have adapted. They ooze that, and the savviness that they have developed is just there. So Carter District Council is extremely proud to be associated with the ANZ Emerging Awards, and I'd like to wish everyone all the best, and I look forward to joining you all at the Clearville Bakery straight after this function tonight. So without a further ado, I'd like to hand it over to ANZ.
Right, Tori.
I'm just going to keep you in suspense for 1 minute. Good evening, everyone. Isn't it great to be here at a real live event or live streamed event? I'm Tori Milne, Senior Manager for Business here in the Wairarapa. A big thank you to the organising committee for the huge efforts of bringing together such an event in such an uncertain time. It's great to be able to celebrate with you all wherever you're streaming in from. Local businesses are the driving force behind our region. They employ our people, provide our services and invest in our community. At ANZ, we are really proud to be behind these local businesses, and in particular those that are innovating, growing, or who have that entrepreneurial spirit that underpins the Emerging Business Award. But it hasn't been easy being a small business owner in the past 2 years. COVID has led to uncertainty and in more recent times disrupted the supply chain across many core industries. So how does ANZ support this distribution and uncertainty to ensure small, medium enterprises can focus on running their businesses and not simply just surviving? We do this through having more people in the regions, covering all kinds of businesses with insights, online education and banking expertise. An example of this is our recently published Sustainability Insights paper for small businesses, helping businesses start the journey through simple steps to understanding their emissions. But without further ado, let's get on to the winner of this key category. The winner of the ANZ Emerging Business Award is the Homegrown Butchery, Deli and Pantry. Congratulations.
Fantastic. We'll now watch the award presentation.
Congratulations. Have a speech.
Okay, how are you feeling down there?
Yep, no, pretty happy overall. It's pretty awesome. Yep.
And is there anyone there you'd like to thank?
Yeah, no, I'd like to thank ANZ for obviously sponsoring it, the judges for making the decisions, I guess. So it's worked in our favour. Also, good on the other entries that were here. You're obviously well worth being here, so congratulations to you guys as well. So I stand up here as an I or a we, but we're actually a team of 8 at the shop and another 6 at the farm, so it takes more than us to make this possible. So, really cool. We're really humbled. Thank you.
Congratulations. Brilliant. Excellent. Now, without tempting fate whatsoever, the technology is actually working extremely well, which is a great opportunity to say a massive shout out to Toby Mills at Noise Productions. Big round of applause. And also to his colleague Ben Brunskill from Spaceship Streaming. I can't even say it. And Ben actually specialises in live streaming funerals, so he's doing really well to do a live event today. So congratulations, well done. Right. Now, I did mention earlier on that it seemed to be quite raucous down at the White Swan Country Hotel in Greytown. And sure enough, they've just sent a text saying that they're having such a noisy time down there, they missed the second question. So, just for their benefit, just simmer down there in Greytown. For their benefit, the second question was, which finalist in the ANZ Emerging category was founded 41 years ago by a former All Black? There we are. Right, let's move on to the next category. And we're now up to the More FM Wairarapa 89.5 Service Award. We have a question for that. This award is specifically for someone that's demonstrated exceptional long service to a Wairarapa business. And the question is, which finalist in this category has a vision to provide increased local access to drop-in, outreach health and social services clinics? I'll just repeat that for Greytown. Which finalist in this category has a vision to provide increased local access to drop-in, outreach health and social services clinics? Right. We'll get the video all ready to roll, and I'd like to invite Wendy Morrison, General Manager of Media Works Wairarapa, to the stage, and let's see who the finalists are. Fantastic. Wendy, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Sam. Firstly, I would like to acknowledge our key sponsor this evening, Shelley and Greg from Festival High. You're doing so much in the community, and sincerely, thank you for getting behind these awards. I'd also like to acknowledge the other category sponsors this evening: Transit, ANZ, Youth to Work, Hamels Harcourt Realty, Gibson Sheet and Trust House. Without these kinds of sponsors, events like this can't happen. Our congratulations on behalf of MediaWorks and More FM to all of the nominees and the finalists across all of the categories this evening. More FM is proud to be a part of these awards, especially the 2021 Wairarapa Awards, and specifically sponsor the Service Award. So I won't use my full minute, Catherine, and I'll go straight to the winner this evening. The winner of the More FM Wairarapa 89.5 Service Award is Barbershop Geordie McDowell. Congratulations.
Right, here we are, making your way up to the presentation. Fantastic. Well done, Geordie. Geordie, would you like to say a few words?
We're very pleased to win this award. I wouldn't have been able to do it without my team here. And we're providing barbering apprenticeships to the Wairarapa and creating opportunities for young people to do what they want to do. It's been a long 6 years. We've had a few ups and downs, and especially this year, we're on to our next venture, but unfortunately our shop burnt down in Carterton. But we'll keep trucking along and just continue to do what we do. Cheers.
Great, well done, Geordie. Enjoy the rest of your night. I think some of us are going down there later on, so we'll celebrate with you. Right, okay, on to category 4. This is the Youth to Work Wairarapa Youth Friendly Business Award, and there's so many organisations doing wonderful work with our young people. Our question for this, it's quite a long one, so pay attention, is which organisation works collaboratively with rangatahi, employers, whānau, educators to ensure that all young people aged 16 to 25 in our region have the opportunity to have successful pathways into education, training or employment. So which organisation is getting our young people into training, education and employment? Right, okay, so I will invite the Chair of Youth to Work, Dale Williams, up to the stage, and we will have a look at the finalists in this category. Away we go.
Richard Carroll, Director of Carroll Extraordinary. We believe in hiring youth and we have strong links with schools and Youth to Work. We have around 21 staff and over half of them are straight from school leavers, and over the years we've taught old school skills using the most modern machinery or equipment possible to keep us relevant in the market.
Zealand, J&L is producing high-quality premium wood solutions from responsible certified forestry, grown right here in New Zealand. J-Frame is the certified LVL framing timber, engineered to be straight, strong and durable. Triboard is an engineered panel with multiple uses: prefabricated housing, intertenancy wall systems, internal wall and ceiling linings, mezzanine flooring and internal stair systems, and much more. Responsible forestry, producing innovative premium wood solutions for an evolving building industry.
To be an apprentice here, there's no special requirements, you just have to be good work ethic. Some of the stuff we do can get quite complicated, and when it does, you just put your head down and knuckle into it. Back when my old man was a joiner, he had to do everything by hand. Used to use hand saws. They used to sweep floors. Now we don't do that. We've got a big lawnmower vacuum cleaner. Now you learn how to do the trade and supply quality products.
Wing it. Are we going to wing it?
Yep, wing it.
Wing it? Yep. Oh, that's so exciting, isn't it? Wing it. Yeah, shall we wing it? Come on. All right, I can't wing it. Kia ora everyone, thank you so much for coming here to Carterton Event Centre for the Youth to Work Award. It's a really special award for Wairarapa, the businesses here that employ youth, support youth are so very, very important to our long-term goals here in Wairarapa. The videos were fantastic. Well done to all of you for supporting this award. I do happen to know the winner for this particular award, so that's great. Great technology, we love it, and if it's going to fail, it's going to fail at the best place, at the best turnout. So well done, everybody. You are all super, super awesome. The winner of the 2021 Business Wairarapa Youth to Work Award is JNL.
Okay, well, I jinxed that, didn't I? Brilliant. Okay, Dale, would you come up and we'll just see what's going on here. When they finish talking, we'll hear from you, Dale.
Please say a few words.
Yeah, okay, I'll say a few words just to this group. We'll forget about the rest of them. Oh, no, it's terrible. I guess everybody puts together a wee speech just on the off chance it's required. I have to say it's truly an honour, but an unexpected one. I think the finalists here tonight were outstanding, and some of the quality people that have been presented here is fantastic, so well done. I'd like to acknowledge Maria and the team at Youth to Work Wairarapa. What a fantastic job. Yeah, please. What a fantastic job they have done to pull together the community, youth and engage with local businesses. And of course, thank you to Business Wairarapa for this event and committing to this in testing times. I'd also like to acknowledge the entire team at JNL, a few who are here this evening, for digging in and thinking differently about the way in which we engage young employees. We all know the youth of today require a different approach, but for the most part, they're positive, approachable, and just want a pathway and some leadership. Again, thanks to all for the award, and congratulations to all the finalists and winners. Thank you.
Williams.
Thank you very much, and congratulations Carl and Adrian and all the team at JNL, Jukin New Zealand Limited at the Wairarapa Mill. There are three key components of Youth to Work Wairarapa. There's the supply, which is the potential job seekers, which of course is our rangatahi, our young people. There's demand, which is the job providers, which of course is our employers, and resources, and that's local people and organisations working between the two. Like our mayors and councils, REAP and our Youth to Work staff, the Wairarapa secondary schools, Mayor's Task Force for Jobs, and so many more. The Youth to Work Wairarapa goal is for our youth with their skills, enthusiasm and careful preparation to be matched with businesses and their career opportunities, training and guidance, while being supported by Youth to Work Wairarapa partnerships, resources, passion and pastoral care. Labour shortages are all over the Wairarapa, and both young people and employers need to be willing to meet in the middle to get the results both are seeking. The Youth to Work Wairarapa Youth Friendly Business Award category recognises the businesses and employer partners who walk the talk and are meeting the market head on. So congratulations again to all finalists. By being youth friendly, you're already leading by example, and a particular congratulations to Jukin New Zealand Limited. They're wonderful to deal with and they're absolutely committed to young people, and it shows. So thank you very, very much indeed.
Thank you, Dale. Okay, I know Ben Brunskill's got a funeral at Carlton Event Centre tomorrow, so if he could perhaps get down there now and switch the microphone back on, that would be awesome. Ben, where are you? Right, we're now going to move on to a very special part of the evening, and every year at the Wairarapa Awards, we celebrate two people who have made an incredible, both professional and personal commitment to our region. For the first of those tribute awards, I'd like to invite the Wairarapa electorate MP, Kira McAnulty, to the stage, please.
Before I read this tribute, I just want to take a very short moment to acknowledge Catherine and Nicola, the Business Wairarapa team, and everyone else who's made this night tonight. We're a very talented and successful region, and it's vital that we celebrate that success. But of course, you've managed to pull it off in a very challenging and restrictive conditions.
and showing the innovation that our region is renowned for. So congratulations, well done, and thank you very much for your efforts tonight. The Tribute Award. Beck Sayer has become such an integral and highly respected member of Wairarapa. It's hard to believe that she grew up many miles from here on a sheep and beef farm in Taranaki. She joined Southey Sayer in 1997, and after finishing her BBS degree at Massey University in Albany, she returned to Masterton in 2001 and has helped to support countless local businesses since then with her outstanding knowledge of the rural sector and the pragmatic advice she offers to her clients. She is now a Director of New Zealand Chartered Accountants, representing accounting practices in a national forum. However, Beck's contribution to Wairarapa is far more than as a partner in one of our most established accounting practices. In 2013, she took on the role of Treasurer for the Wairarapa Chamber of Commerce, now Business Wairarapa, and before long became Chair, giving countless voluntary hours back to the business community and advocating on their behalf. Her achievements in that role, prior to stepping down in 2020, are numerous, and in particular her involvement in the Wairarapa Economic Strategy Governance Group and the fact it was under her watch that the Wairarapa Awards began back in 2018. So you probably wouldn't be here this evening if it wasn't for Bex. She is also a trustee of the Life Education Trust Wairarapa and Central Hawke's Bay, has served as an independent board member of the Wairarapa Bush Rugby Union, and is currently a member of the Wairarapa Cricket Management Board. Bex has given so much to Wairarapa. I'm sure you'll all agree that this recognition is richly deserved.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, I've just been blindsided. It's quite funny actually. It's the second bouquet of flowers I've received today, so must be my day. Okay? Jeepers, wasn't expecting this. Thank you very much for your acknowledgement of, I guess, what comes naturally to me. Growing up in a small community, my parents were on a sheep and beef farm and were often zooming off to this committee meeting and that committee meeting, and actually my father was integral in the declaration of the Free Republic in Wangamomina when they decided we weren't Taranaki and we weren't King Country and no one was going to tell us what to do. So I think it's just something that's kind of been instilled in me by my parents, that I love being part of the community and will always give back to the community I'm in. And thank you very much. Really appreciate the acknowledgement. Totally unexpected and blindsided, but thank you. And well done on this evening. Last year we had to make the difficult call to exit. It was just too risky, and I just think how innovative you've been is just absolutely amazing, and so well done. Thank you very much.
Well done. Thank you, Kieran. Thank you, Kieran. Well done, Bex. Just listening to those dates that Kieran read out, you must have been about 12 when you started at Southey Sayer, so well done. Right. Let's move on to the next category. This is the Harcourt's Hamel Realty Innovation Award, and this highlights businesses exploring new ideas and products and those that are thinking outside the box. We have a 2 degrees question. Which finalist in this category was the inaugural winner of the Trust House Supreme Award? So which of our finalists was the inaugural winner of the Trust House Supreme Award? Right, while we get the video queued up, I would like to pick up the piece of paper I dropped, and then I would like to invite Business Wairarapa Life member Bob Francis and Prue Hamill, Managing Director of Harcourt's Hamel Realty, who is also a Life member of Business Wairarapa, to the stage, please. And let's see the innovation category finalists. Over to you, Toby.
Tahuna Country Meats has developed a circular system that has a sustainable impact on the environment with minimal processing of our products. Only the very best carcasses are selected from Glenburn Station on the Wairarapa coast. Our milk from beneath the Tararua Ranges is collected, pasteurised and delivered in glass bottles the following morning throughout the Wellington region. Home compostable packaging, reusing glass bottles, free-range products, carbon-neutral farming, and bringing on board local artisan producers who share our vision will leave the land in a better place for everyone.
Great ideas are sparked in the most unexpected of places. For transit, the idea to convert a double-deck diesel bus to 100% electric began on the back of a napkin in Masterton. 12 months later, it's a reality. With funding support from ECA, our team completed this conversion, the first in the Southern Hemisphere. Offering a viable way for New Zealand to meet its decarbonisation targets on time and solving a problem of transitioning diesel buses off our roads, this Repower project shows Kiwi innovation solving global issues.
Welcome to Wairarapa Chiropractic. Come meet our chiropractors and CAs.
Chiropractic care is a journey. Whether it's short-term relief or proactive maintenance, we help people wherever they are on their journey. Some of the tools that we use to help us are digital x-rays, posture screen technology, weight scale analysis and range of motion tests.
We wanted to bring chiropractic out to the community, so this is Koha Chiro.
Okay, Bob, the stage is yours.
Thanks, Sam. A very good evening. Julie Miller, I just want to recognise you, Nicola and Catherine. I think it's amazing what you've done. You should be very proud. We're partway through a great night and the innovation and the work you've done, well done. Prue, I just recognise you as the sponsor of this award. Prue is a foundation member of the Chamber and continues to be very generous in her support for the Business Awards. And Prue, a long-time friend, and I recognise you tonight. I just want to say congratulations to the nominees tonight and for the energy and skill you have brought to your individual enterprises. COVID has been clearly a significant influence in leading many of you to recognise how you operate and serve your community and clients. Best wishes to the five of you, and it was interesting, I visited the chiropractor this morning. I'm not feeling too bad. I know that's a good omen, but we'll see. Thank you.
Prue, please announce the winner. Thank you.
Just before I do announce the winner, of course, good evening and hello. And it's just a fantastic privilege to be able to be here. And my good friend behind me, Bob, we've seen many happy times together and just worked amongst a lot of the businesses and support of different things. I'd also really like to acknowledge Beck Sayer, a well-deserved recognition. You've been a pleasure to work with over the years. You continue to be a pleasure, and you're just a wonderful lady. Catherine, Nicola, Julie, and the Business Wairarapa whole team, thank you for everything that you have done for our community, for our businesses and our people. This is groundbreaking. It's the hybrid 2021 Wairarapa Business Awards. And of course, Harcourts is proud to be a sponsor of the Innovation Award. The world around us is constantly changing. So now more than ever, innovation is a vital part to success of a business. It helps an organisation to differentiate themselves from the competition. New ideas, thinking outside the box, taking a bit of a risk. This is innovation. Now it's time to have a look at who the winner is for the Harcourts Hamill Realty Innovation Business of the Year and Wairarapa Chiropractic.
Fantastic. Isn't that amazing? You fix up Bob Francis and you win an award for it. It's incredible. Right, there's St. Sebastian. There's a few likely characters in there. I'm sure having a great time. Here we are. And up for the award. And let's see how you're feeling.
Hello, everybody. Wow. Yeah.
Yell to them.
Okay. Hey, everyone. Hey, thank you so much. I'm so stoked and just pretty much blown away. Like, what a cool bunch of businesses, not just here, but around all these areas. And I suppose we just feel really stoked to even be here, let alone win this thing. So congratulations to everyone. We're stoked to be here. And I suppose at Wairarapa Chiropractic, we really love what we do, you know. We love being able to help our patients and look after our community in our practice, and also now our wider community in our Koha Kairo. And this, I'm up here talking, but actually this is about these guys. You know, we've got such an amazing team. Mon and I are so blessed to be able to work with such a cool group of people. These guys are like our family, so this is for you guys. So thank you very much. Thank you for the Business Awards for hosting an awesome night, and we're just really stoked to be here and pretty blown away. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it.
There's a good time being had there. Well done. Right, okay. We're on to the sixth and final category. This is the Gibson Sheet Team Award. And this specifically recognises service to the community, wellness and well-being, and in particular, investment in people. For this one, we have the 2 Degrees quiz tiebreaker. So I actually got a text from someone, a little bit cocky, about 20 minutes ago, that said the quiz was easy. And I think they said the quiz was easy because they were one of the answers, right? Yeah, very funny. You know who you are. This is a tiebreaker. This isn't so hard. Sorry, this isn't so easy. I knew there'd be a mistake. Right, 2 Degrees. How many 2 Degrees cell sites across New Zealand are activated for 5G? How many do you think? I'll give you a clue. There's just under 2,000 cell sites for 2 Degrees throughout New Zealand. How many of those are activated for 5G? So that's the tiebreaker. And if there's obviously, if we're drawn at the end of the rounds, that will be the winner. Right. So while you're stewing on that one, I would like to invite Her Worship, she hates me calling her that, Her Worship Lynn Patterson, the Mayor of Masterton, to the stage, along with Amy McGowan, who's a partner at Gibson Sheet, for the Gibson Sheet Team Award. And we're going to see the finalists on the video now.
We are still the original company, the original site. Started in 1934, Mr. Hanson and Mr. Mansell. Important that it tastes good, that's what it's all about.
Kahu Environmental is a diverse group of planning, kaupapa and ecology experts. Every day we work together to make great things happen for our community and our environment. We're drawn to work collectively by a shared set of values, which gives us a common focus across all our mahi. Our values keep us focused on doing high quality work, striving to do things better, and always having the courage to act with integrity.
Hi, I'm Richard from Onyx. We know that IT is boring. That's why here at Onyx, we strive to bring the human element to technology. One of our core values is people, our team, our customers, and our community. We have the geeks with the knowledge, the skills, and the love of technological wizardry. We make it easy for you to do business.
Welcome to Wairarapa Skin Clinic. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by our cheerful reception staff. Our team of experienced doctors and nurses have a quiet, easy manner which speaks of confidence and puts you at ease. Together, our team has created a nationally accredited service which puts you at the centre of our purpose. I am Dr. Kath Becker, and this is my team.
If we said to you, we're there for you when the clouds are dark because someone you love and care about is struggling, hurting and sad, in real mental distress, every one of you will right now be thinking of that person you know, of the times you've cried and asked yourself, what can I do? And where is the help for me? Yellow Brick Road will walk with you, the family, navigating, supporting you. Ohi ki te haora pai.
Okay, fantastic group of finalists, and just one quick shout out, and I shouldn't be telling this story, but I will. When I walked in here a couple of hours ago, I walked over to Toby, quite full of the life of beans. I went over and Toby was sitting there with his headphones on, and I said, "Hey, Toby, how's it going?" And he said, "Nothing's working." So it wasn't a great moment in my life, but Richard at Onyx actually stepped up to the plate and managed to fix the connection that was broken, did a great job. So I think Richard deserves a round of applause. Well done. Okay, one quick thing for those that can hear us, that I will repeat all the quiz questions at the end because I know there's been a few connectivity problems with our friends at Carterton. In the meantime, over to you, Lynn, to say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Kia ora koutou. It is so great to be here. I know it's been said before by most speakers, but how innovative is this that we can go ahead with the Wairarapa Awards 2021 in spite of the pandemic. So well done to the team for your incredible work and innovation in bringing us the awards by going hybrid. Now, speaking of teams, this award is the Gibson Sheet Team Award, and big thanks must go to the sponsors, the Gibson Sheet team. However, tonight is about the finalists, and I acknowledge all the 5 of them in this category who are, I think, enjoying each other's company at our wonderful 10cc. The last 18 months have been difficult for many businesses. And tonight, I just want to thank you all for your patience, tolerance, and mostly your resilience. And this event tonight is an acknowledgement and celebration of you all. Kia kaha.
Thank you, Lynn. Amy, would you like to say a few words and then put us out of our misery? Who's the winner?
Hi everyone, as I said, I'm Amy McGowan. I'm a newly minted partner at Gibson Sheet. This is pretty cool, right? And it couldn't have happened without a team. So a collaboration between people and businesses, and it's come out really amazing. And that's something that's so important to Gibson Sheet. We're a family of 100, and we support and strive to do the best for each other and also for our clients. And I think that shows in the way that we provide our services. So we are very proud today to be sponsoring this team award. And we wish the nominees all the best of luck. And without further ado, the award goes to Kahu Environmental.
Thank you, Amy. And I think we can see 10cc live on the screen there. There we are. Fantastic. Find the microphone and let's hear a few words. Well done.
Thanks everyone, this was a hell of a fright. We're based in Marnborough in the South Wairarapa, part of an amazing team that's really walking the talk when it comes to environmental matters. Privileged to be here and thanks again. Cheers.
Wairarapa, again, first in innovation, so thank you to Catherine and the team. Our second recipient of a tribute award this evening founded A1 Homes Wairarapa with his wife 17 years ago. They were looking to build their own home and discovered that there was a great market potential for a local building franchise. They have since built over 700 full build and kit set homes within Wairarapa, but his contribution to our community extends much further than that, driven by his passion to see others succeed within the industry. He has held many different roles in the Wairarapa Masters Builders Association, committee member, vice president and president, working with the local committee to create and support new initiatives in Wairarapa. These have included working alongside schools to build their relationship with employers, the Mayor's Task Force for Jobs scheme to connect youth to employers, and the Wairarapa Regional Skills Leadership Group. He is also a champion for diversity and mental health well-being in the construction industry and is often asked to speak at events or to the media on these and many other related issues. Our recipient also founded the Māori Business Award Network, works with several different Māori trusts and Urapa blocks, and acts as a property mentor, teaching property investment strategies. He is a former committee member of Papawai Marae and past president and committee member of Greytown Sports and Leisure. He supports and sponsors many local and community activities and charities, including his work for the Cancer Society and the Homeless Shelter. One of his major contributions has been to the Greytown Football Club, where he is a founding and life member, and his roles over many years of dedication have included president, secretary, coach, manager, groundsman, player, and referee. Our recipient is one of those rare people who takes as much pleasure in the success of others as his own, and I'm delighted to present Paul Southey with this award. Congratulations, Paul. You deserve it.
All right, I've got to collect myself. Okay. Thank you. This is a huge honour and a huge surprise. We do it because of the people that are here. We do it because of our founding fathers, our business people that have been through. We do it because of the role models that you've made for us. And we do it for our youth, to give them the role models that are coming through. With my Māori side and our whānau out there, I want you to inspire them, because we need them up here on stage. And it's a huge honour from my Māori side to receive this. Huge. And I just want to say good stuff. That's why we do what we do, yeah? So thank you one and all. And we do it because of the Wairarapa, and we love the Wairarapa. So thank you so much.
Right. Fantastic moment there. Now, are we all going well, Toby? Have we got yep? All ready to roll. Okay. Just before we move on, I will, we've got the Trust House Supreme Award to present. One quick mention again of our venues. Thank you to St Sebastian, 10cc, Clareville Bakery, the White Swan Country Hotel, Carlton Event Centre, and of course Copthorne Solway Hotel and Resort here. But thanks also to our suppliers and supporters, and there's been quite a few of those, Splash, Noise Productions, Spaceship Streaming, Printcraft, Property Tours Wairarapa, the Wairarapa Times Age, Yona Estate, Crescendo, who are caterers, Courtney, who sung so beautifully earlier on, 2 Degrees and Sterling Sports. So let's put our hands together for all of our supporters. Thank you so much. Okay. We haven't actually had a drum roll yet, but I think we're going to invite now Charles Kaka up to the stage to present the Trust House Supreme Award. And it's over to you. Who's the winner out of all those category winners, Charles?
It is important to, I think, for me to just recognise all of the distinguished guests that are here this evening. To all of those businesses that have put themselves forward, it takes sort of a lot of courage and bravery to put yourself forward. And I think before I make the announcement, the other thing is it's really important that we come together and celebrate something in a positive fashion when we're living in these sort of disruptive times. But ultimately, it is about one winner this evening, and the Trust House Supreme Award goes to the Wairarapa Racing Club, Tauhera Nico Event Centre.
Thank you, Charles. So down at the White Swan, it's all going off down there. Hey, listen to that. Fantastic. So somewhere there, I think Damien Pivac, who's the Business Wairarapa board member, is going to present that. Fantastic. There we are. Put your hands together. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, let's see if you've got a second speech prepared. Over to you.
I'm not almost lost for words, but I just want to say that in the racing terms, it's the second leg of the double. So we've got 2 tonight, but let's not miss the point that it's actually driven by the whole community. What we're doing down there at the racetrack is moving from what was traditionally a racing environment, and we're now into an events environment, and we're trying to actually move further forward and have something which is for the whole community, which is supported by all of us. And as I say, I look around the room tonight and I see my colleagues here, and I think that this is actually a really worthwhile contribution for all of us. Going forward, we still have 50 acres left in the middle, which we'd like to do something with. So if anybody's got any new ideas, watch the space and please come and talk to us. But we are very open to negotiations, and thank you very much again to the sponsors and the team. Thank you very much.
Can't hear. It's not on either. Can't.
Claire's back on stage up there. Brilliant. Okay. Right, and St Sebastian and 10cc and Clareville Bakery. They've got Clareville Bakery breads, as you'd imagine. Say cheese, homegrown, one of our finalists. Their ribeye steak, Little Farm Greens, and olive press olive oil. So lots of local produce down there. And we have, what else have we got here? I don't know what's going on down the other ones. We want to thank all of those businesses for supporting local. Hey, I just listening to myself. How fantastic! All of those businesses for supporting local, and I know down at the White Swan in Greytown they have 100% local menu and 100% local wine list as well. So wherever you're going now for your meal, I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure you will. I need to run through the quiz very quickly because there was a very, very slight technical hitch down in Carterton. So here's the questions again, very quickly. Get your quiz sheets ready. Which finalist in the Vibrant category is owned by Rosie and Nick Rogers? Next one. Which finalist in the Emerging category was founded 41 years ago by a former All Black? In the Service Award, which finalist has a vision to provide increased local access to drop-in outreach health and social service clinics? Which organisation works collaboratively with rangatahi, employers, whānau and educators to ensure that young people aged 16 to 24 have an opportunity to have successful pathways into education, training or employment? In the Innovation category, which finalist was the inaugural winner of the Trust House Supreme Award? And the tiebreaker is, of the 2,000 cell sites that 2 Degrees operate around the country, how many are activated for 5G? Right, that's the end of the formal proceedings for this evening. We have Julie Miller, who is the chair of Business Wairarapa, hovering to my right. So, Julie, the stage is all yours.
Sheet. But I think all of us here tonight owe you a great debt of gratitude. It's been a fantastic event thus far, and these are for you.
No problem. Thank you. Cheers. I won't say any more because I think everyone's hungry, but thank you.
Okay, so there's the end of the formal proceedings. Thank you so much to everybody who has contributed, everyone who's attended, everyone that's helped made it happen. And please, please enjoy some local hospitality from fantastic hosts all around our region. Thank you and good night.